It's three diagonal.
3, 1, 2, 3. I know.
1, 2, 3, and then all the way straight. It's not the trauma girl sitting, but right next. See that girl standing with the white dress? She's sitting. She's standing in front of Sheridan. I see her with her white dress. She's looking at us.
Matrunga mau.
Look from up here, the corner. Panoramic. Look, Dad.
Matrunga, tiya